Hello friends, hope you are practicing and experimenting with Linux commands. So in my last video I had finished important and commonly used Linux commands while we are dealing with files and directories. And now let's have an overview of Linux tools that are extremely useful for bioinformatics data analysis. And the first command in this series I will cover is sort command. So now let's open MobiXterm terminal and start. Sort command, as its name says, sorts the content of a text file line by line. It supports sorting alphabetically, in reverse order, by number, by month, and can also remove duplicates. And sort is by default sorts data in ascending order and takes entire input as the sort key. Always keep in mind while sorting that the sort command takes blank spaces as its default field separator. And after sorting, you will see that lines starting with a number will appear before the lines starting with a letter. And the lines which start with a lowercase letter will appear before the lines which start with the same uppercase letter. So for sorting, I have taken one file smp.tsv to take it as an example. So before we start sorting, let's see what this file looks like. If I press enter, now less command has shown me the file. This has first a serial number column, then second chromosome number, then the chromosome position, and this RSID and reference array and alternate array. Now to exit the less screen, I will quit, press Q, and if I want to sort this file, I'll simply write sort and the file name and press enter. Now this file is sorted. As you can see, it has not taken this serial number as a number, it has taken it as a text. That is why it is not in the series. So to tell the command prompt that this is sort taking it as a number, you just have to specify a simple option and then press enter. Now you will see that this will sort it numerically. It also helps sort in reverse order. Now if I use R here, then the sort command will sort numerically but in reverse order. Now if I press enter, you can see this file has been sorted in reverse order. So to save the output in a different file, you just give one option, use this option -o and give the file name. I will tell smp_sorted, and if I press enter, this will create a new file here which is a sorted smp file. If I see, because I had sorted it in reverse order, this is showing the result in reverse order. Sort command does not actually changes the input file but just sorts it in ascending order. So here the SNP file, if I just type the name of my input file and do not give a output file name, then it will just show the result in your screen, but actually it will not sort the file. To save the sorted results, you always need to give an output file in a different, so that it creates a different sorted output file. Many times we need to sort a file depending upon a specific column number. Then to achieve this, we have to use -k command with sort. Let's say I want to sort this file on the basis of chromosome positions, then I will just type sort -k, the column number. I want to 1, 2, 3, third column. The chromosome positions are in third column. Then I'll say 3, and I'll tell it that sorted by number. And now if I give the file and press enter, you will see that this file is now sorted by chromosome position. Many times we need to sort on the basis of alphanumeric fields. In such case, only -n will not work because it will consider it as text. But we want command prompt to consider its numeric part only while sorting. Then in this case, we need to tell command prompt the position from where you need to start sorting. For this I have an example file which has list of RSIDs only. Let's see how this file looks. And press enter. You will see this has list of RSIDs only. Now if I want to sort simply, then I will write sort and just press the file name and press enter. This will sort this file, but it will consider it as text and sort it alphabetically. Now if you want to sort it numerically, then you have to tell command prompt to start sorting from third position, because your numeric values are starting from third position of RSID. Then you just have to simply write sort -k, the field, column number, dot, point, and the position from where you want to start the sorting, 3. Then end. Specify. We are specifying it to sort numerically. Then the file name. Now if you press enter, this file is sorted. So for now I will clear my screen. Linux is very strict in command format, hence always be extra careful while writing a command and the names of files and directory when you are specifying. Let me tell you some tricks to make your life easy with this. You can retrieve and rerun previous commands by pressing up key. So if you press up key, you will get the previous command. You can modify if you want something to modify. Then again press enter. This will again show the result for you. Now similarly, if you are writing names of files which is present in your working directory, and then just write initial 2-3 letters of file name and press tab. This will fill up the rest of the file name for you. Say if I say type SNP, if I type RSID and press tab, it will fill up. I have just written RS and I have pressed tab key, then it has filled up the complete name of this file for me. So with this you can avoid errors in writing file names which are very big in length. So if you press enter, this will show you the result of this file. Now if there are two files with the same initials, say if I say SNP, now if I press tab, then it will list both the files which are starting with these letters. Then you can choose which file you want and write one more extra character and press. This will again fill up the remaining file name for you, and if you press enter, this will do the processing. So now let me clear my screen. Then sort command can also remove duplicates. So to remove duplicates, you just have to type sort. You have to use -u option and the file name. If you press enter, you will see all the duplicate RSIDs are removed from here. You can just give an output file name and save this unique IDs. Sort command has so many options available with it, and I have listed the most used options available with sort command. I hope unique sort command syntax and options I explained in here are helpful. And for detailed use, always refer sort help to achieve sorting in all possible ways. So the next command I will cover is unique command. This command helps you reporting and filtering repeated lines in a file. It can use to remove duplicates, show count of occurrences, show only repeated lines, ignore certain characters, and can also be used to compare on specific fields. Please note that this command accepts adjacent lines for comparison, hence always use a sorted file with this command for correct results. I am working on this rsid.txt file, which is right now not sorted. So I will sort this file first. Just type sort and save this file to a sorted output. Now if I press enter, this will create a rsid_sorted file which has the sorted result in it. If I want to see, I can see it. can see this is sorted for now. Now if I want to use unique, simply type unique and the file name and press enter. This will tell you the unique records present in this file. And now if you want to see how many times a particular record occurred in this file, you just append a -c option with this and press enter. This will tell you the count, how many times a particular SNP occurred in this file. So this SNP occurred 3 times. This is how we can use unique command. Unique command can also be used to see the records which have 2 or more than 2 times of occurrences in a particular file, and the command for this will be unique -d and the RSID in the sorted file and press enter. Now these were the file which had repeated in this sorted file. You can see all the lines which were showing multiple occurrences are listed over here. Say you want to list only those lines which are uniquely present in this file and not repeated, then you just type -u and press enter. This will list the unique lines which are not repeated in this file. Both of these commands can be utilized in many ways, and some of which I have covered here, but you can always keep experimenting with these commands by using other options available with them, which you can find by using help command. Now I am finishing with sort and unique command here. In my next video I will cover sed and cut command, which are very frequently used in Linux. I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries in comment box that I can try to reply as early as possible. Do look out for more videos on my channel and subscribe to keep watching to keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you.